heard it, but no one could explain it. A soft sound echoed through homes late at night, quiet enough to doubt it was real, but clear enough to wake people up. Neighbors checked outside, streets were empty, cameras showed nothing unusual, and yet, the sound kept happening at the exact same time, every night. Scientists later noticed something strange. Each sound matched a tiny vibration coming from deep beneath the Earth's surface. It was not machinery. It was not weather. It was something underground, moving for the first time. For more creepy mini-mysteries, like and subscribe for more.